Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this one, we're going to be showing you a little bit about what we've been doing in the Ohio State Drone Lab. We've been flying the Wingtra, testing out new software, test flying the new WISPR Ranger Pro we were gifted a couple weeks ago, flying the Alta X for fume detection research flights, and then also flying the Autel Max 4T to do thermal mapping flights of underground tunnels on Ohio State campus. So I hope you guys learned something, and I hope you enjoy this video, and we'll see you later. Peace. Out here at Tuttle Park, about to fly the Wingtra. We got our MLID base station over there to get PPK data, and then we're gonna post-process it in Wingtra Hub. Today, the purpose of this flight is to test out the new Wingtra Cloud software. So I'm gonna be doing a flight that I planned on my computer earlier, but I can access it directly through Wingtra Cloud on the tablet. Fly the mission, and then we'll take screenshots, screen record, send it off to Wingtra so they can troubleshoot and make it great. So we'll see how Wingtra Cloud goes today.
That's awesome.
Forward is towards the camera. I'm just gonna bring it down on the end. There you go.
That's crazy.
Yep.